Hi guys, it's Legionero back with another video. Today I'm going to do a quick and easy tutorial on how to make a wristlet strap. So let's talk about all the things you're going to need to make this wristlet strap. Of course, you're going to need your sewing machine, some coordinating thread, some pins. You're going to need a 1-inch D-ring and a 1-inch swivel clasp. And you're going to need your fabric. I've already cut out my pattern pieces, but there will be a template for you on my blog, and I'll link my blog below. And you can just print and cut out the template, so you'll have your 2 pattern pieces that you need, and you can cut out your fabric from those templates. I also have a complete list of materials on the blog post as well. You're also going to need your iron and your ironing board to press your fabric pieces, and pressure interfacing as well if you're using interfacing. I'm not using interfacing for the purposes of the video. So let's get started making this wristlet strap. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to press our strap and the strap tab. So I'll start with the strap tab. Right, you're going to fold it in half and you're going to press. And then you're going to fold, each side to that middle crease you just made. And you can do this one side at a time. I'm just doing both sides at the same time. At least I think I am. All right, and press. And then fold each side onto itself and press. And I'm just going to use a pin to hold this in place. I'm going to set this aside, and now I'm just going to press the strap the same way. The wrong side is facing up. I'm just pressing some of the wrinkles out. Alright, so fold it in half. And then you take one side, fold it towards that crease, and press. Then take the other side and fold it towards that crease and press. And then fold each side onto itself. Alright, so first thing we're going to do, take your strap tab. You're just going to sew down both sides. Cut off any of your loose threads. So now what you want to do, you want to take your D-ring and place your strap through your D-ring and fold it in half. And now you just want to sew down this edge. Now your strap tab is all done. You can set it aside until you get ready to add it to whatever you're going to add it to, whether it's a clutch or wristlet or pouch. Go ahead and take your wristlet strap, and your D-ring, and go ahead and place your D-ring onto the strap. Now you're going to do this before you sew anything on your wristlet strap. Alright, so go ahead and place your D-ring on the strap, and then what you're going to do, you're going to unfold each end. And you're going to place them with right sides facing. And pin. Right? Once you have them pinned, go ahead and take it to the sewing machine, and you're going to sew down this edge about 1/4 of an inch. Now once you have that end sewn together, you can take it to the ironing board and press open this seam. After you do that, you're just going to fold your wristlet strap back together. So you're going to take each end and fold it towards the middle. And then you're just folding it back together. Alright. So you're just essentially putting it back together. But you have it's already sewn together. So now what you're going to do, you're going to take this to the sewing machine, and you're going to sew around both sides. Now for this part, I'm going to remove this part off of my sewing machine so that I can place the strap onto my sewing machine like this. This makes it easier to sew around. Right? And you just sew both sides. Cut your loose threads and then flip it around and sew the other side the same way. Cut your loose threads again. Alright, so now what you want to do, the end that you folded together and you sewed together earlier, you can find that end or not, it doesn't matter. Take your D-ring. Alright, so now you want to take your strap and you want to sew across to make sure you secure across to make sure you sew across to make sure you secure the D-ring in place. Alright, so now you have a strap tab with a D-ring attached, and you have a wristlet strap with a swivel clasp attached. Now all you have to do is add these to a clutch or pouch or a wristlet or whatever you're using them for. You can also use this as a keychain if you like. Alright, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button, and I'll see you in my next one.